biggest issue is just the fact that it's a pain. And in my case, it usually happens, lately it's been happening once a week, I should say. It used to happen once a month, but that's been oh, 5, 6 years ago. So, long story short, I'll let you watch with me and I will make you another video, at least 2 more videos later today.
You do believe that your son is innocent.
We know he's innocent.
Well, you don't know he's innocent because you weren't there that night.
No, I said before, he's not going to do anything like this.
We know our son, we know his character.
You know him as a father and as a son.
And his son.
All right, and I get what you're saying, and I'm the one that brought up credibility issues with her because I want everything on the table here. And while everything you say is true about her, if it's true about her, and you may disagree with some of that, but you do have a problem with alcohol. Would you agree?
Absolutely, I do.
And you're not drinking now
Of course not.
because you're pregnant.
Right.
I mean, she could be a fallen down, drunk, crazy, wild. That doesn't mean he didn't do this. It just means that you have to look seriously at her accusations.
Well, again, to me, it's one of the world's amazing coincidences that there's this whole pattern of behavior leading up where she says multiple times she's going to take the kids and leave, and he stops her. He says, "Take your daughter, but not my son." And then they have this final bad argument, and then they finally agree that there's going to be a divorce, and that custody's probably. And then all of a sudden, a couple weeks later, there's allegations come up where she, in the morning, says, "Here's what my daughter said you did," and we're like,
And there were 2 trained police officers that did interviews here. This went before a judge. It went before a jury. There was a trial where both sides had the opportunity to present evidence, and he was convicted.
he was wrongly convicted, I think.
But you do understand what I'm saying. This isn't just all her.
No, I understand. The jury heard a lot of stuff, and we have issues with the investigation, with the police officers.
You say it's textbook bad policeman.
A lot of it was, yes.
Well, we'll talk about that next. What George admitted to the police about what happened that night with his stepdaughter. Plus, George's fiance is here and says the love of her life is sitting behind bars for a crime that he just didn't commit.
All right, everybody, I'm going to let you go, and honestly, I will make at least 1 more video before I go see the doctor that I have to go see later today, and the last and final video before I go to bed tonight. I'll talk to you soon. Have a good day. Bye.